had life by the horns. There she is. Well, and again, I've got my clutch on a low setting. Don't want to go too tight right off the bat. Just want to get things seated. See if we can do this one. All right, I'll see about getting this smoke box attached. Can't seem to find any videos on YouTube of anyone installing one of these yet, so let's get her opened up and see what's in here. So this is the orientation. It will mount on the side of the Recteq. Got upper and lower temperature. Nice logo badge. start a bonfire. That will too. Well, so I did a quick check and the temperature probes are identical, of course. Here is a nice handle for the door. Mounting hardware. Now there are a set of 4 fasteners in here, which will go on the grill side of the box. On the opposite side of the box, they did already put the holes in there to install the handle that would have went on this right side of the cooker for easy moving, which I think is a good thing. Okay, I'm going to put this handle on here real quick. Look at that pretty shiny looking thing. And it only goes on one way, at least correctly for this, because it does need to rotate to latch and unlatch this door. Pretty simple. Put her in there. Put in the latch part. And they have the nut lock washer and flat washer to fasten this down. And keep in mind, guys, every one of these nut fasteners that I've found so far, they are all metric. The smaller sized ones are 13 millimeter and the larger sized ones are 17 millimeter. So that gives you a pretty good idea what you're dealing with. Okay, after some rearrangement, I've come to realize that this Camp Chef portable cooker definitely has more than one use. I'm able to set that smoke box next to the main cooker and line those bolt holes up perfectly to attach this thing without struggling. I hope. Let's just see. Look at that. All right, time for the stack. All right, I got my lid propped up. I'm going to put this sweep piece in here. Let's take a look and make sure we put it in right. There's a beveled edge on here that actually should be down. I should have paid attention to that. That's going to line up inside here. That angled edge is going to meet up down here. I've got her propped up with my little block of wood so that I can hopefully manage this without hurting myself. Let's just find out where our fasteners go here. Let's get that one. There's the other. Now they give you this gasket to go between the bullhorn handle and the lid itself. See if we can get this situated. Okay, now the bundle that I bought came with a front folding shelf. Let's get that installed.